Welcome to CK Trading. In this video, let's learn how our stocks traded. If you have not watched the earlier video on introduction to stock market, please click on the link in the description below. अगर आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो दिए हुए लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में उस पर क्लिक करें. A buyer can buy the shares through exchanges, mainly NSE and BSE. There are two main exchanges prevailing in India, and these exchanges are governed and regulated by SEBI, which ensures safety and avoids investors' money from fraudulent activities. Who trades the stock market, by the way? One big fella are the institutions like mutual fund, hedge funds and banks. The other participants are the retailers, who comprises of the big retailers and small retailers. But why do we trade in the stock market? And there is only one answer, which is money. Because money talks. Every participant wants money. Institutions, the retailers, every entity inside the stock market, it's so big. Everybody wants money. But at the end of the day, to sum up, it's a zero-sum game. Where at the end of the day, one wins the money and the other loses the money. So we are in a process to become the win side of this course. This is possible by gradual learning of what we learn and which is practiced, which we are going to learn. The stock markets operate from Monday to Friday from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. until there is a public holiday which is declared. The next step would be to open up to a broker account who can give you a demat and a trading account. Click on the WhatsApp link in the description. They will guide you from step to step on how to make a demat account. You can simply come up with any desired broker. I would suggest Zerodha or Upstocks to open a net. The link is also given in the description. You can start with an initial capital of 10,000 to 15,000 to begin with and learn how to trade. I guess that's pretty much with it. You have come across some stuff getting familiarized with stock market and broker account. Thanks for watching the video and do not miss any video in this course. So please click on the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you.